Hey guys, welcome back to the High Homes YouTube channel. Today we brought you out of our office, we brought you here to the show home of one of our favorite developments, which is called Lakun. One of our High Homes favorites. We're gonna walk in a moment, we're gonna meet Miguel. Miguel is the developer of this amazing project, and he's gonna walk us through all the ins and outs that you guys need to know in order to understand what Lakun is all about. The qualities, the amenities, their services, location, prices. By the end of this video, you understand the product so well from wherever you are in the world. Are you guys ready? Let's go and meet Miguel. Hey!
Hey, how's it going?
Miguel, how you doing, man? Good to see you.
See you. Come on in.
Wow, look at this. This is incredible. This is amazing.
It is. It's a show flat. It's Lakun show flat.
So this is like your show flat, but it's also your office at the moment, right? This is
Yes.
where you're welcoming clients. You'd also do the admin work, right?
Yes, we basically have here a place to welcome clients. They can also see the qualities of the development itself.
Yeah.
What we have created here, it's basically the quality memorial in a show flat.
It's
So it's
amazing.
like, actually it's a living apartment.
Yeah, you got a bedroom, bathroom.
You got
everything.
bedroom, bathroom, living room.
So Miguel, I'd like to sort of start by giving our audience, our viewers, sort of an overview of Lakun, right? So can you tell us a bit about the complex? How many, apartments, properties, kind of properties? Give us a breakdown before we explore.
Yeah, so it's basically 233 apartments. It's from 1 to 4. We are also doing a mix of 1.5, 2.5, which it basically has a space for a bed sofa,
Okay.
which is kind of this new concept that we're developing. What we have here is full amenities, hotel-like amenities. So basically we have pool, indoor pool, outdoor pool, we have gym, we have co-working space, and we have a big common area. And of course, parking lots, bike garage, everything like that.
So for people which are sort of new to this location, can you tell us where we are? Tell us about what we have around us and where Lakun is located.
Yeah, you could say that this is Fuengirola, but it's actually not Fuengirola. It's Mijas.
Great. That's the great thing about it, right?
Exactly. It's really good because it's walking distance to the city center of Fuengirola, right? And we're basically in the merger between Mijas and Fuengirola, which is a really nice area to actually be in. Taking into account the beauty of Fuengirola and also the permits and the good conditions that Mijas also offers.
Yeah.
So it's really good for investors. It's really good for people that want to live here.
Yeah.
And it's a project that really defines great architecture, great execution, and of course, luxury qualities.
Let's have a look. Show me around. Show me around. Where do you want to start?
So let's go to, well, let's actually start in the kitchen.
Perfect.
The
Yeah.
main room, yeah.
Amazing that we're here.
So what we got here in the kitchen, we have an example of most of the qualities that you will be seeing standard on the development itself, right?
Yeah.
What we're also creating here is we have optionals, right? So they will have a kitchen package already in place. The only thing that we are also creating is, okay, what if you wanted to upgrade your kitchen after you actually buy the apartment, right? So we thought on creating an optional for a better kitchen. So we got Gaggenau, which is this high luxury brand of kitchens.
So if you want to, you can upgrade to the best quality.
Exactly.
But all the properties come with an installed kitchen.
Exactly.
Right? That's included in the price,
Exactly.
but then you sort of upgrade to whatever.
Exactly. To a luxury brand.
And the concept here is like very much what the market is looking for, right? Open plan, very calming to the eye tones, like very earthy tones, very toasted. But all the apartments are off plan, nearly all of them, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, we have 1-bedroom apartments and we have 4 penthouse. So we have a penthouse as a 4-bedroom apartment with a huge terrace with an indoor pool. So we have crazy apartments.
Just to sort of clarify for the audience that sort of watching this right now, like this is a prefabricated sort of apartment on the plot. So you guys will be throwing this down at one point and building the actual complex. So
Well,
this is just
actually
like
not.
you will be.
We won't throwing this down. This is a prefabricated apartment.
Okay.
I mean, we have the concept of creating with wood already because of our hotel that we did.
Yeah.
So we can tear down this apartment in 3 separate trucks and take it away and put it as another show flat or just sell this house.
But I mean,
it's a full working house.
But to your point, like you guys are investing a lot of money in, be able to show your clients what they're buying, which is super important, right? I mean, you want to basically walk into a project which is off plan essentially and touch and feel what you're buying, no?
Exactly. And also solar panels. It's not connected to the grid, and it has cooling system independent and everything. So it's great. So let's go here now.
Yeah. So this is like the small laundry area, no? Like.
So we call this in architecture. We call it the core. right?
Yeah.
The core room. The core room is basically a room separated by a moving door,
Yeah.
where you basically have the washing machine and you have a separate kind of laundry area,
Nice.
basically.
Also the same sort of design with the kitchen, so it ties in, but it's not
Exactly.
in the kitchen. So
It's
it
not
gives
in the
it-
kitchen.
Nice, man. These floors are the standard floors, is that
Yeah.
correct?
This is the standard floors and we have in the development. And of course, for instance, everything that it's in regards to the
Wardrobes? Yeah.
exactly to wardrobes, it's like this.
Very nice. Like, you know, it's, again, like earthy, organic, very natural, right?
Yeah. The bedrooms. So what we have here is, of course, the qualities that you will be getting, right? What you basically get here showcased is where my light switch are coming, where the lights
Are
coming.
these the light switches you guys are using?
Yeah.
They're quite funky, yeah? Like they,
Yeah, it's amazing.
they look amazing. Okay.
And then of course the wardrobes.
So every bedroom comes with a sort of
Exactly.
built-in wardrobes, no?
This is the concept itself, right?
If there's something Nuavid's known for is qualities, and this is just amazing. This
No.
big, everything's big tile. I love that. You don't see any lines.
Exactly. And it's perfect finishes.
Right. Can I, like, there's one thing, like, developers that are watching this right now, Mark, just come and look at this, right? Traditionally, in Spain, developers will put this little thing here, which means that when you walk into your shower, you need to sort of get gassed with cold water before you regulate the temperature. That's a great idea, Miguel. It's great, so you can actually regulate before you go in.
Yeah.
Small details, but it makes a big difference.
Adding the shower screen, having
yeah.
all this details already done because everything comes furnished.
Yeah. So what you see here is what you get.
Exactly. So the layout itself, of course, there's bigger bathrooms, there's smaller bathrooms, but all this is basically what you're getting on the development and the qualities of it, right?
Nice.
So, I mean, everything here, it's prefabricated.
Wow.
So that means it comes done
As
like
you
if,
see it.
exactly, like if it was a Mercedes. We put it directly, we close it down so no construction worker enters or maybe damages anything like that.
So-
Everything is done, plug and play.
So essentially, it leaves the factory like this, and you just basically install it inside the property.
Exactly.
Wow. I think it's like one of the only developers that we know that do that, which is quite impressive.
Yeah, we're basically innovating with this because of the innovations that we had in other projects. And the good thing about this is after sales, it's great for us. Taking into account that it's less manual work and more factory work, which is amazing.
We've seen the sleeping rooms, we've seen the kitchen, obviously nice, I'll follow you, nice dining areas. Hey guys. Hello there.
So this is Beatriz and Lucien
Hey
from our
guys.
sales team.
Hey, hey.
Nice to meet you.
You guys have a beautiful office, eh?
Thank you.
It's a great place to work, nice and calming. So this is sort of just a general concept of
Of the living room,
Yeah.
And basically we have sales here. So we sit down clients, we show them the development, we show them the facade, how the terraces look, qualities,
Yeah. I mean,
everything
this is
that we
beautiful.
can actually lay down on a paper.
Yeah.
That it's actually included, all the documentation about the development. That's what we're basically showcasing here. And then of course, any questions after the development, we already have license. So that's great.
That's amazing.
That's great. So there's a lot of questions coming and we attend the clients here.
So when are you expecting to start construction?
We're expecting to start construction in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks already?
In 2 weeks.
Wow, that's fast.
Yeah.
So delivery date for the entire project or phase one? Because there's 2 phases, right?
Yeah. So basically there's 2 phases, but we're developing everything.
Same time.
Exactly.
Okay.
There's 2 phases and we will be handing those 2 phases at the same time on 2027.
So end of 27, I suppose.
End
yeah?
of 27, yes.
Okay, so basically 2 years away.
Yeah.
More or less. Okay. Yeah.
2 years construction time.
Yeah. Good.
It's a big development. It's 233, actually 34 units.
200?
34 units. Yeah.
What do you mean 34?
So in the initial planning, we
Yeah.
figured out that we could fit one more house.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
234.
Exactly.
It was not 233.
In the floor plans, we have 233, but actually we added one more.
Okay, so one lucky man, one lucky person out
Exactly.
there could buy it.
And then of course, show flat, we'll be having parties here, come over for coffee, come over for decaf coffee. We have already the Gagano coffee machine. So it's amazing.
Okay. So Miguel, we've practically walked around your apartment, your sales office, and we talked about the concept. We talked about, you know, the amount of properties, the development itself, and why Lacune, you know, is Lacune, right?
Yeah.
Could you sort of briefly mention in your eyes what the USPs are, so the unique selling points? So why would someone choose Lacune over neighboring developments. This area is undergoing loads of development. Why would someone choose Lakun?
So basically, Lacune is unique itself on the neighborhood, right? You don't find this unique architecture on all the areas and all the projects that have been are being developing here, right? What you also have is resort-like amenities. So these amenities are something that you're living in a hotel, but it's your own house, right? So the pool, the spa, the sauna, the gym, the common areas. It's a resort-like living. We call it urban luxury, right?
Urban luxury, I love it.
The real quiet luxury.
Nice. Tell us a bit about, like, you know, this is quite unique to this location. It's new, right? Like, you know, you've taken an urban plot and turned it into like this quite unique concept. How far are we actually from walking distance from amenities? Like, we literally have everything around us, right? Can you tell us about it, a bit about it?
So you're walking to two main things that I love. Personally, my two biggest sales points are your walking distance from Fuengirola. So, I mean, right now is the fair of Fuengirola. You can literally go walking and then coming back drunk, not driving, just drunk, not driving. And then there will be a big park being done on the back, which is the biggest park in Costa del Sol.
Wow.
That's an amazing selling point. And of course you have this river that goes through here and that goes directly to the sea. And then there's a park on that area that directly connects with the sea. It's amazing. It's a great location. It's Mijas, looks Fuengirola. It's in the middle of both. It's the best of both.
So Miguel, now we've seen everything. The most important question for this video. What is the starting price for Lakun today?
So we have 2 bedrooms. We sold out everything 1 bedroom. So we have 2 bedrooms on 471.
471.
Yes.
Okay.
Starting from. And then of course we have 3 bedrooms from 517, I believe. And then we have 4 bedrooms with which is penthouse mostly.
Big ones,
big ones from 1.1 million.
Wow, that's amazing.
Insane penthouse.
No, I've seen the floor plans. They're incredible. Private pools, you know, like over 300 square meter terraces sometimes, like massive.
Barbecue.
And barbecue. Yeah, I love barbecue. So
of course.
I have to agree. How about like handover? Like, you know, obviously right now you guys are going to start construction very soon. When is the sort of final handover? When are you giving the keys to this? So someone comes today, you know, he falls in love with, or she falls in love with your concept and they want to buy a unit. When are they expecting to have keys in the hand and moving in?
2027. So basically we'll be expecting on the last quarter of 2027.
Perfect. Miguel, that's a perfect wrap. Thank you so much for having us, and thank you very much for having our YouTube channel here, you know, in your sales office. And I'll actually send a message over to you guys watching this video. If you have any questions for us, for Miguel, go ahead and ask those below in the comment section and we will get back to you. And have you liked this development? If you have, press that button, like this video, that's the one. And if you're new to this space and the first time you come across our High Homes content, if you want to stay posted with everything regarding Spanish property, Spanish real estate, new developments, and everything Spanish property, don't be shy and press the subscribe button so we can keep you guys posted with the best of the best. Miguel, let's say bye to them. Hasta luego.